You got to see his tits. You got to see his tits.
That's why I have shoes on.
You want to see his tits. Jackie?
I can't see nothing but white arms. And Jeff the Killer right behind you.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Wasn't me. Okay, it's me. I admit it. Hump him! Hump her! Hump him, sign, hump him! Hump him, hump him, hump him. Hump him, sign. Put the butt right here and go. That looks so weird to be like homosexual. Please. Oh my God, it's playing!
Did you really catch me jumping his leg?
Hump him, sign, hump him.
No, your sister. Not you.
My sister, a grown-up boy. My sister probably older than your mama. How old your mama?
49.
Okay, I'll take that back. My sister's only 29.
45. She's older than my sister.
God, stay right here.
I'm getting off.
Me too. Oh no! Help! Help! Ah! Boo! Look at the scream. Stare at the scream. Look at the scream. Die, Jeff! I just raped Jeff the Killer. What, you guys?
Okay, let's fight.